Got another good looking snack for you guys, and it is brought to you, Dave, by Joseph's Lavish Flatbread. Not sponsored by this, although they are very good. If I ever get sponsored by a big company like this, and shout out to me, I'm making it. But basically what I did here is I took one of these flat out wraps, and these are high fiber, high protein, pretty low calorie. This whole thing is 100 calories for this big, huge wrap right here. And then I put some vanilla Greek yogurt in there, and then also tossed some strawberries. And I was gonna put some cinnamon in, but I forgot, so screw me. Oh, I put some powdered peanut butter in there too, so it's kind of like a peanut butter strawberry, Greek yogurt, I guess a cold crepe, if you will, basically, and pretty high protein, high fiber, and we'll get the job done until I get to my next meal. And guys, literally I looked in my fridge, threw some stuff together. This is what it came up with, and that's what healthy eating is a lot of times, because they're not always going to have something prepared that's really healthy. So you just got to get creative and have stuff like bread, stuff like wraps, have some good protein sources just kind of on hand that you can throw together. String cheese is another one I have as well, but don't overcomplicate it. Stuff you like, eat it over and over and over again, and boom, you're there. So try this recipe out. Let me know how it goes. Recipe. Yeah, it's a recipe. We'll give myself some credit.